Dollar, 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 that's what I need. Hey, hey. Said I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me?
Vi står så her i Upper Manhattan, Harlem. Vi har været ude og interviewe 4 forskellige personer her omkring, hvad de synes om Harlem og om kriminaliteten, og hvilken kultur det dominerer mest her.
Dangerous. It's dangerous? Why?
Nice.
How dangerous?
How
They be violent.
Yeah, you gotta
They be violent.
like isolate yourself from everything, from certain things because it's Harlem.
Neighborhood, it's getting better.
I love Harlem.
I love it actually. Well, this is where my roots lie. As far as, you know what I'm saying, my generation when I came up.
It's just a mixture of so many different people, so many different cultures here. There's a lot more to do. I don't like the fact that it's not becoming reasonable to live here anymore because a lot of people are moving uptown.
Also, just from the culture, it's more diverse. It used to be a lot of just blacks and Hispanics. Now, if you look in the area now, it's more Caucasian, there's Philippine, it's more diverse.
We really don't have a culture, but like
I'm from the Caribbean.
yeah, I'm from Harlem.
Yeah,
I'm from Harlem. I'm
I live in the
Bronx, you know.
Puerto Rico.
I'm African American.
Most dominating culture.
Black.
Right? Yeah, black people with Christianity and
I don't know. That's a toss-up. It would have to be either Hispanics or blacks, one or the other. Which one I can't tell you.
African American. Africans. Same thing.
Wrong place, wrong time.
Well, the crime rate revolves around the job rate. You know what I mean? You know, crime is not accidental. You know what I mean? Crime is, you know what I'm saying? It follows a protocol. You know, like
I really don't think that it matters where you live. It's just unfortunately that here there's a lot of young black boys who get randomly stopped for no reason.
yeah.
That's, the downfall of that. But I just think that there's a lot of corrupted, crazy cops.
Det her det er så Harlems midtpunkt, hjertet af Harlem. Og så vil vi gerne komme ned og vise jer, hvor det var Martin Luther King, han lå på hospitalet, dengang han blev skudt. Det her det er så hospitalet, hvor Martin Luther King han lå, dengang han blev skudt. Det står så under navnet MLK, som bliver kaldt af de sorte, som står for Martin Luther King Hospitalet. Vi står så her i Upper East Side, og det er så i centrum. Vi har så spurgt 3 personer omkring, om hvad de synes om Upper East Side, om kriminaliteten, og om hvad for nogle kulturer, der dominerer her.
I think it's really beautiful and a lot calmer than downtown.
It's like a fine neighborhood.
You know what? I'll tell you. It's one of the best neighborhoods because it's one of the most established neighborhoods in New York because people pretty much own up here, so it hasn't changed that much. For the rest of New York, it kind of changes. It stays the most consistent.
It's definitely
More family
waspier.
Yeah.
American culture?
Germany.
I don't know. I don't know what you mean by that. I just say wasp.
It's like the white people.
Yes. Here? Yeah.
So-called wasps.
Yeah.
They are the most prominent.
A wasp. A wasp is Jewish. There's no crime there.
I don't live up here, so I don't know, but I would assume probably less crime than there is downtown.
No, I mean, no. It used to be a lot worse throughout New York City, but it has gotten a lot better, so it's not a crime neighborhood at all.
Where's this gonna be on?